Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Bitcoin-USD pair and the recent events during the markets. Greg.
Oil prices rose amid optimism over China's demand recovery, concerns that underinvestment will crimp future oil supply, and as major producers keep output limits in place. German car makers Mercedes-Benz and VW have urged the government to do more to scale up the number of electric vehicle charging stations across the country. The German government last October approved a plan to spend €6.3 billion to rapidly scale up the number of charging stations across the country as part of its push towards net zero emissions. Although recession concerns across Britain and other G7 nations are receding, inflation could prove stickier than expected due to rising wages, forcing central banks to keep rates high. This is especially true in Britain and the US, where there is evidence that wages will grow further this year. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 1.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 3.3% during the session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. Nike shares rose 0.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.5% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, current situation, at 1000 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey, economic sentiment, at 1000 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 1630 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning with the latest news and events from the financial market.